In this practical method, we learn 1:1 correspondence between the vertex of two similar right angle triangle when vertex of 90 angle. If we draw the altitude, then there is form two right angle triangle. These two right angle triangle are similar to the original or right angle triangle and to the each other. In this practical method, we have taken one paper. This line and this line are already perpendicular to each other. From this scale, we have take this right angle triangle. This angle is 90 degree. From this vertex, we draw the altitude to the hypotenuse. From perpendicular, we have taken this type. From this, there are two right angle triangle. One right angle, this is our second right angle. Suppose this is first and this is second. When we prove 1:1 correspondence, this triangle second to the basic triangle, then this angle is common in this both triangle, and in this triangle this is 90 angle, this is also 90 degree. Hence, triangle second is similar to the or first basic right angle triangle. In second, this angle is common between both right angle triangle, and in this triangle this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree. Hence, this first triangle is also similar to the or first basic right angle triangle. There is not difficulty to understand 1:1. But if we show that these two triangles are similar to each other, then we will some problem arise here. One technique here is understand in this right angle triangle there are two angles are formed. This angle inside the 90 degree is congruent to the another triangle outside. In this triangle, this angle inside the 90 degree, this angle are congruent to the another right angle triangle outside the triangle. Hence, here is we have making a star inside 90 degree, hence that is congruent to the outside. This is our inside, that is 1:1 correspondent to the another outside right angle triangle. By practical method, we can prove that Suppose we have separate this angle, triangle. Both angle are congruent to each other. This angle inside the 90-degree angle, there are two angle are formed. One angle inside is congruent to the another outside right angle triangle. This is the basic thing we have to remember. Let us learn similarity and right angle triangle theorem. In a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Segment BD, that is altitude BD, is perpendicular to the hypotenuse AC in point D. Here is angle A is showing as a star in 90 degree. In angle B, there are two form angle. One is shown as a star. Inside the 90 degree, star is congruent to the outside of another triangle, angle A. Thus, here is a 1:1 correspondence. We have already in this practical method, we have learned that using that we have to prove the theorem. Theorem: in a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. In this figure we have given that in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Segment BD is perpendicular to the segment AC, and between us B is between A and C. We have to prove triangle ADB is similar to the triangle ABC, triangle BDC similar to the triangle ABC, and last one, triangle ADB is similar to the triangle BDC. Proof: in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, angle DAB congruent angle BAC. Reason: common angle. Angle ADB is congruent to the angle ABC. Each angle are 90 degree. Hence they are congruent to each other. Hence both triangle ADB is similar to the triangle ABC by test AA test. This is our first statement. In triangle BDC and triangle ABC, angle BCD is congruent to the angle ACB. The reason is common angle. Angle BDC is congruent to the angle ABC. The reason is each 90 degree. Hence, triangle BDC is similar to the triangle ABC by test AA test. This is our second statement. From first statement and second statement, we can conclude that from statement first, triangle ADB is similar to the triangle ABC. Triangle BDC is similar to the triangle ABC by second statement. From first and second statement, we can write here triangle ADB is similar to the triangle BDC. This is our third statement. Hence, from statement 1, second and third, triangle ADB is similar to the triangle BDC is similar to the triangle ABC. That is our property of similarity, transitivity. Thus we have proved